I go. Good morning. This morning I got a call from customer. Then the forklift is breakdown. So this machine is, as you can see, this machine is uh, in the middle of the aisle. So we need to rectify this one as soon as possible to not to block the way for the pallets and loads. So first thing to do, we will see what is the current error there. So first thing to do is to switch on the top. Then as you can see, I got error code of T420 T41S238. That is the error code of the machine, and that is uh, the problem that we need to rectify and to check what exactly the cause of this error. So first thing, I will put my diagnostic. So I will put my diagnostic. Oh, this is not the machine. Wait, this is yesterday. So I will put the serial number P21120M0 serial number 2863 2863 2863. So this is the machine now. I will close this one. This is yesterday. So I will click diagnostic. So in this machine, the port is here. So I will connect the port here. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Merit, huh? Congrats. Now success. So we open this one here. We show them. Okay. So first thing to do is what is the meaning of this T420, T41, S24, S238. So if I will go to traction error T241, T241 saving enable signal high resistance, no negative signal from 4 seconds at X13, X30. Caution, no negative will be in the course. And then 2420. For basic safety microprocessor or traction reports error with lifting function enables during standing up. So I can see the SI note that there is a service information 4013. So I need to check the service information 4013. So 4013. This one. Check. So it's saying need new control software update for troubleshooting LDC. So it's saying some software update. So from we'll go back to diagnostic. We'll check if any updates are there. We'll update. But you can see only Lindy Flasher. Lindy Flasher is for the canvas. Means for the connector. Setting canvas LED prevent plus tool. So that means this is different. This is for the Lindy Flasher, which is this one. This is the Lindy Flasher. This one. So from this, I will go back to error code. Do you wish to cancel? Yes. So I will go to S238. S238. I need to check the S238, which is the steering. This is the steering information. What is the error code? So many error code. So I will delete this one. No problem. I will go to input output, steering, current error, and then get the error 238. So what is the meaning of 238? 238 is steering wheel brake bar current occurred. Steering connector A1 is the power current occurred, but there is no uh, step to eliminate the fault. But anyway, as you can see, as based on the error code, it is steering wheel brake, means steering wheel, and this is the steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel. Then we'll go to we'll go to in technical information. I need to check the diagram. So S238, this S238 is that means that I have problem with this steering wheel brake. So from circuit diagram, I will go to 2022 wiring diagram, service sheet. I need to check where is the steering. Steering. So this is the steering. For Lindy, 3 means steering. 1 is traction and 2 is for hydraulic. So this is the main circuit diagram for the steering, and I have problem with the steering wheel. So from this see 311, as you can see 311 Hall sensor of steering wheel with brake. So steering wheel with brake. So this is the 311. This is the 311, which means Hall sensor for steering wheel brake. Hall sensor for steering wheel brake. And this is the A1. As you can see, this is the A1, which is from the error code. From the error code diagnosis, 238. 238 is steering wheel brake, steering connector A1. So if I go back to technical documents, so this is A1 for the steering wheel, and this is the steering wheel 3R11. As you can see, 3R11. Also, and my cursor, this is a Hall sensor for steering wheel brake. So that means I have problem with this Hall sensor steering wheel. With it means this one, the encoder. So first thing to do is to check this A1, and A1 is coming from the controller of the steering motor. 3A1 3A1 is the generation to steering unit. So I need to check also this SP29 wiring. SP29, where is this SP29? So it is saying down here. So maybe I will go to this SP29. Where is SP29? This one. See, SP29. So black red, and it goes to X15. Then black red is from to X20. Black red. But this black red, as you can see, this is the 13-volt supply. As you can see, this is the 13-volt supply. See, this is 13-volt supply going to black. This is black red and going to SP29. Okay, so we'll go back to this. So that means I need to check this. I need the 13 volts here. This is number 4. I need to check the voltage. 13 volts uh, is there in number 4. Okay, so now uh, the error is S238. That means I have problem with the 3R11. 3R11 is the whole sensor for steering wheel. So I have problem with this. So I need to open this. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to set up. Then I will remove the battery plug. It's very difficult now. I will remove the battery plug. Okay, then I need to open this. I need to open this now. How I can. So first thing to do is to open this. This is 13. Somebody's calling. Pinay. Go sir. Baris ko rin eh. May ko. Oh, very tight. Okay, so continuation. I need to open this. Yeah. Now scroll down there. No, not it.
5 seconds.
This one can be accessible here. Access. So I need to open this. Okay. I will put my payment. So let's open this. And some voltage signal also. I think. Maybe. Let's open here. Maybe. Possible na. Oh, it's not yet. Still more. Let's delete this one. is the encoder. As you can see, this is very tight. Very tight. So I need so from this 3x18, from this 3x18, from the diagram, as you can see, 3x18 and number 4, I need 13 volts and SP24. Okay. So number 4. Wait a minute. Hit. So 1, 2, 3 for black red. So I need 13 volts here. 13 volts here. And 2 negative. I'll check one negative here. This is ground. Blue. No negative. I will put it here. Or I will put it here. This is negative. This is negative blue. I will put here. Now I will put on the battery. Then I will switch on.
On? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Steering is working. Steering is not working. Okay. So 13 volts. I need 13 volts now. So I need to get 13 volts here. Oh, there was no 13 volts. Yeah. So from here 12.8. So that means from here I have power supply coming from the DC-DC converter 13 volts. Then I need to check now the wiring for A1, 2, 3. If this is okay, that means the encoder is faulty. Okay. So I need to open again this one. Open again this one. From there. I need to open this.
Down. I cut upon.
No good. So this is the steering controller. This is the steering motor. So I need to check the wiring there. This 3X. I will remove it. So this is the 3X18.
उसको बंद दे दोनों को दे उसको कॉफी वन कॉफी दे लेके आप
This is 3X18.
मैं दोनों को देना था ना
As you can see, 3X18 is there.
Kuya,
Yes. Ah, thank you, thank you.
लेके आप
So again, continuation. This is 3X1B, not 18. And from here, 3X1B. X1B, 3 from encoder to A1. So from A1 to 3, I need to check the continuity. If this is okay, we have 13 volt supply from SP29, and this is okay. That means I have problem with the 311, which is the Hall sensor of steering angle. Okay. So this is A1. Okay. Can you hold? What's that? Copy.
maybe after full public
Yes, I will finish this. So I need to check where is the A1. A1. A1, what is the color? Black. Ah, blue violet. Blue violet. Blue violet. So this one. This is the A1. So I will put my plug here. A1. 2. I will change this one to resistance. Then to number 3 of the encoder. Number 3 of the encoder. I will remove now. One, two, three. Number 3. I need to check where is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. So this one. This one. So that means from encoder to the steering motor wiring is okay. Then I have 30 volts. That means I am confirmed that I have problem with this steering encoder. Okay. Yeah. So I am confirmed that this is the problem. So I have heat stuck in my van, but that is old one. Then I will change it. So we will change this one now. So I have it stuck in my van, but this is old, as you can see, or just checking 100% if it is okay or not. So we'll fix this one. Fix it. Then I will put the battery plug. Then switch on. Now the error is not gone. So I will put the code now. 1, 3, 4, 5. So
Wow.
machine is
Thank
okay
you,
now.
Father. Thank you. Thank you.
Machine is okay now.
Yeah,
That means the problem is the encoder. So this is only just for the 100% checking, but maybe I will fix this one for temporary so that the customer will use this machine. As you can see, this machine is in the middle
Dani.
middle of the aisle.
Yeah.
Thank you. So that is I show you how to check the forklift and how I do the isolating the problem, and luckily we easily fix this problem. So for now I will fix this all, then I will make report, and I think the customer will be happy. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Successful. Thank you, Pare.
Yeah. So we fix the machine. This is okay now. Just try. So machine is working now. So I'm ready to go. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. 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 This is okay. Thank you.